I am representing the Saving the African Rainforest Foundation, and just by donating $20, which practically grows on trees, you can save an animal, an organism, such as soil, or a plant. Don't worry, this is already dead. Now, if you also want to buy a timeshare in the African canopy, which is over 60 to 260 feet tall, that would be a great decision too. It's only 40 bucks. 20 bucks times 2. That also probably grows on trees, but I'm not so sure. There, it does. What a spectacular sight. The African dik-dik. So elegant, so mean, so antelope-like. It's not even cool. Very vulnerable prey for predators like cheetahs, jaguars, snow, and rain. The African dik-dik is up for adoption, and me, Jack Daniels, will bring it to your door personally. Oh no, it's mad. It's mad. We gotta run. We gotta run. Ah! Bye from Jack Daniels. Oh well, these plants are very beautiful. Oh, I hear something. Oh my! It's the African pink koala bear. Look at it graze. Look at it feel. Look at it eat those leaves. Seems to be walking over towards the tree with intention to climb it. It feels its width to determine how long it will take and if it will be before sunrise. Well, he gave up on that. Goes around the tree. He sees a squirrel. He hops. Oh no, it's just a plant. The African dik-dik is so endangered that I want you to adopt it. Jack Daniels signing off. Oh, I'm sure you already know because of my handsome looks. My name is Jack Daniels, and I'm here to convince you to adopt the African pink koala bear. Now, this type of species is very rare and endangered in these parts of Africa and anywhere else in Africa. And that clip we just showed you shows that they're very caring, determined to climb trees, and are pink. Now I'm sorry that one couldn't climb a tree. That one had some issues, but most of them don't. So, right now, from the bottom of Jack Daniels' heart, asks you. If you would like to adopt an African pink koala bear, an African dik-dik, or buy a timeshare in the African canopies, please contact the African Rainforest Association. Thank you.